Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Alright, my people, skilla there again once more. Big up and respect to each and every one. Hope that everyone is alright, is it? Alright, so in this video, I'm going to present to you videos that are being talked about on social media, and I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what you think about these videos. Now, a certain number of these videos shows some things that I do not recommend anyone to do, viewers and subscribers. You see me I say? Yeah. Anyways, the first video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a motorcyclist riding a motorcycle towards oncoming traffic on the road somewhere in the country of Jamaica. I do not know when the video will be recorded, viewers and subscribers. Now, in my point of view, the motorcyclist was riding the motorcycle on the wrong side of the road, viewers and subscribers. And I would not recommend anyone to do something like that, because if you do something like that, you would be breaking traffic law or laws. You see me? Anyways, let me know what you think about this video, viewers and subscribers, and observe and tell me what you think.
Yeah, it's your attention, you know.
I sold too hot my entire life, you know. Right there.
Son to what?
Man, serious of that.
Yung baka police ay kanan na matang gas road pa naman.
Don't gas
Man, serious about the place.
Hey, you hear about police? Jano. Yeah, maybe a police who a drive a police service vehicle might turn the motor vehicle across the road, and him, who knows what would happen if a police ever see that man riding a motorcycle on the wrong side of the road, in my point of view. You see me I say? Yeah, my people, look away, and that is not even a laughing matter, because that man not only put himself in danger, but he put others in danger as well. You see me? Anyways, now the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show when a man was holding up 5 bags of cement on his head, you know, viewers and subscribers. See? Yeah, the video is going to show when a man assisted a man to put 5 bags of cement on his head, viewers and subscribers. See? And I think that something like that is dangerous. I wouldn't recommend anyone to put 2 bags of cement on their head, much less to say to put 5 bags of cement on their head. See, you know how much 5 bags of cement weigh, viewers and subscribers? Tell me in the comment section. So may I say, no, I'm going to say this to each and every one. Please do not try this at home. And some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Man, I'm on with you suspense. Which one suspense 5 bags and 6 bags of boom. Christian Benteke, I don't have a friend. Watch your back for so.
The person in the video use an accent that don't sound like Jamaican accent. Even the person that don't sound like my Jamaican accent.
Watching you know, that is 100 kg.
Yeah.
What's the back account? 150 kg. 200.
Based on some things that a person in the video said, it seems as if each bags of those cements weigh a certain amount of kg. Listen what the man said.
That is 250 kg. Wow. And then
Yeah,
also
250 kg, you know, my people.
What's about 250 kg bag of cement?
Look at his feet. Look at his feet.
Christian.
My people, if anything should happen to that man who you can see in the video holding up 5 bags of cement on his head, no viewers and subscribers, I think that the person who assisted him to put those 5 bags of cement on his head should also be held somewhat responsible if the man get injured. You see me, I say, my people, because if someone come to me and say, oh, help me put 5 bags of cement on my head, me I say, my youth, me not help you do that, you know. Anyways, my people, I could look at this video someone, then we talk some more about it. Observe.
What's that cement in the back in Num? How they call them all? 250 kg. And since them over for Munti.
You know how that heavy, my people. Watch out. Take them off of your head.
250 bags of cement.
Take them off of your head.
250 bags. Akwe imode mo son. Ni mode mo son.
We ma prove.
And I'm saying them way it is. Where you back what to?
We ma prove.
This is 200 and that's no. 200 kg. One year to.
We ma prove.
Christian, most strongest man of Swaziland.
World's strongest man.
Ah, why are there? 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 The next day, what's up? That's 6 bags. That is 300 kg. We want it. We want it. We want the DM for the no.
We ma prove, man. My people, you see something like that, don't must hurt you immediately, you know. Yes, I say my people, yeah man, something like that can hurt you inside somehow, and then whatsoever got damage inside the body somehow slowly get worse and worse, you know. Me, in no way, now lift up 5 bags of cement one time. Me nah do that. Me nah have nothing to prove if you do that, my people. I'm not the Hulk. No, man. See, I don't know exactly where and when that video will be recorded, viewers and subscribers. You see me? So that video is one of those videos that is being talked about on social media. And, you know, I'd like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what you think about that video. You see me? And tell me how much do you think 5 bags of cement weigh? Or how much is 250 kg? You see me? Yeah, I can see who know them maths. Leave your answer or answers in the comment section of this video. Alright, so I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show when a man was walking with a snake that was rest on his shoulder and across the back of his neck. Somewhere out there in the world, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Yeah, the video is going to show when a man was walking with a snake somewhere out there in the world. See me, I don't know exactly where and when this video will be recorded. You see? Now, I want to point it out to each and everyone out there who have snakes for their pets. You see? Be careful how you walk with snakes in the public. You understand? Because you have some people who really and truly afraid of snakes, in viewers and subscribers. You understand? You have some people who will see you come with your pet snake and run out in the road, probably run out in the traffic, and might even get hurt. You understand? Because you have some people afraid of snakes, like myself. Yeah. You understand? Yeah, like me myself, me I tell me people. You see me, I say, me nah hide and talk. Me I tell you. You see me? Yeah, me will go to a zoo and pay money go in and me will hold a snake at the zoo and so forth. You see me, I say, yeah, cause that at the zoo. See? But nobody thinks of me, I go out in a bushes or out in the public and see a snake and go anywhere near that. No, not me. Anyways, tell me what I think about this video, viewers and subscribers. And some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Yes, boss.
Jesus Christ, have mercy, have mother.
My pet this.
Are you pet that? You ugly, do come close. I'm afraid I know. That's the chance to come close. I'm afraid. You know, John, what's that?
Look at the channel. See? And people have people out there with heart problem, you know. So imagine you a walk with a snake and the person who have heart problem don't realize you have a snake until you come close. Then the person go frightened. No? Huh? No, sir. I don't think that's safe at all. Anyways, my people, the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. In this video, a man said some things that gave me the understanding that the man said that his house had been broken into viewers and subscribers. Now the house seems as if that the house was under construction or is under construction, because I do not know exactly where and when this video will be recorded, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Yeah, so more I take a look at this video and tell me what to think about some of the things that the person said in this video. Alright? Observe.
So sometime when I hear someone black man dead, you know, for sorry for a man when they're dead. This is the house where the man then broke off my grill and come in my house, and this is the outcome of it. So the man then tear off all like grill there and catch up the grill, and this is what black man do. So you see that there now? The man then broke off all like grill and come in my house.
That's wicked.
And thief me things them. This is how skilled black man is. And you know, if it's sorry for them sometime when they're dead. You know, if it's sorry for them.
Janu, the people, it's hard for you to say you work for what you want, you know. And then a person or persons somehow steal what you work for. See? It's hard for you to say you have your house where you build and someone or persons break into that house. You see me? Yeah. It's unfair to me. Straight up and down, it's unfair to me. You understand? So you can tell me what you think about that video that I just presented to you. Yeah, and I also have left it to my people. So big up and respect to each and every one. Alright, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I want to big up on yourself, you see?
Hey man, you know where you watch.
Dancehall skilla.
Yeah, man.